Hello sir, I am Gamya Charita from second year CSM A section. I am here to present my video assignment and my topic is Squirrel Friendly Campus Initiative. Introduction to the initiative. The Squirrel Friendly Campus Initiative aims to create a harmonious environment for both student and local wildlife. This initiative focuses on enhancing the natural habitats of squirrel while ensuring the campus aesthetics are maintained. By promoting coexistence, we are foster a sense of community and responsibility towards our local ecosystem. The Squirrel Friendly Campus Initiative aim is to create the harmonious and environmental friendly campus for both wildlife and students. On moving to the next slide. Importance of squirrels in ecosystem. Squirrels play a vital role in seed dispersal, contributing to forest regeneration. They serve as a prey for various predators, thus maintaining the balance in the food chain. Their activities promote diversity, making them essential for healthy ecosystems. The importance of squirrel is mainly it disperses the seeds which it consumes. This may lead to the forest regeneration. And on moving to the next slide, objectives of the initiative are to educate the campus community about the ecological significance of squirrels, to implement practices that protect and enhance the habitats of local squirrel population, to discourage harmful behaviors that negatively impact these animals and their environment. Mainly, the objectives of this initiative are to educate the campus community about the ecological significance of squirrels, to implement the practices that protect the squirrels population, and also to avoid the harmful behavior that negatively impact on the squirrels. On moving to the next slide. Habitat enhancement strategies. Planting native trees and shrubs that provide food and shelter for squirrel is the key. Habitat enhancement strategies, uh, we have to plant more trees and shrubs for providing food and shelter for squirrels, as the squirrels are more favored to live in the shadow of trees. We have to improve the count of the plants in the college campus. Creating designated green spaces and natural corridors to connect the habitats is essential. If the green spaces are more, the squirrels are more likely to come and take the shelter. And also, installing feeding stations with the squirrel friendly food can help the sustain their population. This means should the squirrel edible food should be kept at some particular places where the squirrels can eat easily and cannot eat the plastic as well. On moving to the next slide. Community engagement. Community engagement plays a vital role in squirrel population increase. Organizing workshops and seminars to educate the students about squirrel behavior and ecology is very important, which means the students can understand the importance of squirrel and provide the food and necessary things for the squirrels if they seen anywhere in the campus. Encouraging student volunteers to participate in habitat improvement projects on campus. Some of the students might be increased, they should be encouraged and uh, inculcate them to participate the habitat improvement projects in campus. Creating awareness campaigns to promote respect for local wildlife and their habitats is very important. On moving to the next slide. Implementing the waste management strategies to reduce the litter that can harm squirrels. This means the waste management which is harmful to animals should be reduced, such as plastic and papers, plastic pens, etc., should be reduced or stored in a particular area. Promoting the use of eco-friendly materials for campus landscaping and gardening is very important. encouraging the adoption of policies that prioritize the wildlife conservation in campus planning. On moving to the next slide, monitoring squirrel population, conducting surveys to assess the health and population dynamics of local squirrels, collaborating with wildlife biologists to gather the data on squirrel behavior and habitat use. Use this data to inform future conservation efforts and habitat management practices. On moving to the next slide, challenges and solutions. Urbanization and habitat loss pose significant threats to squirrel population. Implementing measures such as wildlife crossings can mitigate these challenges. Habitat loss is nothing but loss of the food and food cycle, etc. Uh, Natural resources for the squirrel, which are required by the squirrels, which means grass, nuts, etc., food, and dried leaves, etc. Education campaigns can help reduce human wildlife conflicts and promote coexistence. Without knowing human wildlife conflicts, the squirrels are mostly harmed by the humans. So we have to make them know the conflicts of success stories from other campus. Universities that have implemented similar initiative reported increased squirrel population. Positive student engagement and community involvement have been key to their success. These campuses have seen enhanced biodiversity and improved campus environments. Some of those institutes are Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Ekalavya Institute, Mahatma Gandhi University. These are the institutes which followed squirrel friendly campus and say improved the squirrel population in the campus. On moving to the next slide, collaborations and partnerships. Partnering with a local wildlife organization can provide valuable resources and expertise. Collaborating with environmental clubs and student groups that can amplify outreach efforts are important. Engaging faculty in research projects can enhance the educational aspect of initiative. The collaborations and partnerships are very important, which plays a vital role in improvement of wildlife surrounding us. This makes very drastic change in the surroundings of this college campus. The students may get also interested on this. On moving to the next slide, funding and resources. Secure, securing grants from environmental foundations can support habitat enhancement forces. Utilizing campus sustainability funds can help finance educational programs and projects. Involving local business can sponsorship opportunities to fund initiatives. On moving to the next slide, measuring impact. Establishing baseline data before implementation which help assess the changes over time. Conducting regular evaluation will allow us to adjust strategies as needed. Gathering feedback from the campus community will help gauge the initiative success. And thank you for giving this opportunity.